Welcome to another video. In this video we'll show you how to show your Salesforce data using any icon inside a badge element. This is going to be really handy if you want to show notifications to your customers, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. So I've got two pages here, page 1, page 2, nothing extravagant. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to page 1 and we're going to click plus, and under widget, I believe we have something called badge. And this is just a standard icon, so you can change it. You can even give it a default value. And we've got many icons here that you can use, and it's really up to you what you choose. For example, let's say I choose something like this, like an email, okay? Now, first of all, let's move on to style side of things. How do you style it? Obviously, the style icon. And then here, you can obviously change the icon size. So let's say I do, let's do 200 by 200. I think that works nicely. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then you can also style the badge as well. So let's say if I wanted to give it a nice pink works. Maybe a little bit of red. Yeah, that works. And you can also change the size as well for this if you want. So this can be, I don't know, 40, and then the height can be 40 as well. So something like that. It's very, very cool functionality. And then essentially, what you can do is you can either stack it top right, top left, wherever. I'm going to keep it there for now. And then we'll go over to the gear icon, and you can see you can even have it on confirmation mode. But the reality is, what can you do with it? Let's say use cases. I want to show somebody all the cases where status equals new. All right, so what you would do is you would go in here, you would click on it, go over to Salesforce, configure integration. We will do a get, create new. I'm going to go for case, add a description, show new in badge. And we will do onload, and we'll bring up to 20 records. Condition is simple. Status must equals static new. You can obviously go dynamic if you wish. Now here's the thing. The badge counter, you would type total rows. This is what's going to bring back the number of records into the badge counter. So if we click apply, click close, click save, remember it's on load, you go over there, click preview, and just like that, you can see there's the value of 20 in there. 20 records. This is like showing somebody a notification saying, hey, you have 20. What do you want to do with them? So let's actually go ahead and actually going to change the font color here so that works. Okay, so let's pretend somebody clicks on this and goes on to the next page. Save and continue. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring a table here. This is just an example, to be honest. It's not anything new. We'll do case again. We'll say up to 20 records where status equals new. And then I'll bring back a couple of values in here. So case name, case subject, and then number, like that. So there's my table in its glory, ready to go. So we'll just expand this for now. Keep it nice and simple, click save. Now, if I go over to my home page, I can do something like this. So if I click on the gear icon, I can say on click action. When I click it, I can go over to the next page. And then on the next page, it will automatically run internally. So page 2, click apply, 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 save, and then preview. So now notice that we got value of 20. I'll click on it. It will take me to the next page, and voila, I can see those case in details like that. And that's all there really is to this feature, that you can get a badge, and within the badge you can set up many different icons that you got available within that we give you, and whole heaps of stuff that you can use, and you can set up many custom workflows for badge. But just the main point really here is that in your get, you want to map the badge counter to the total rows, and that's it. And once you've done that, we'll bring a number of the values in here for you, like here, like we did 20, and that's it. And then that's the data ready to show your customer. And this is how it's done.